Welcome to Zoology. This first PowerPoint that I'm going to go through is just giving you a general description of zoology. Zoology is the study of animals. It's the entire animal kingdom, and that's what we're going to talk about for the rest of the semester and going over all the different phylum. Zoology is a subset or a subdiscipline of biology, so we know that biology is living things, when we break it down, it's just the animals that are living. It is one of the broadest fields in science because of the amount of species that we have on Earth. And right now, like it says right there, we have 20,000 known species of bony fish and 300,000 species of beetles. And the amount of species that are living right now is only about 10% of the amount of species that have ever lived. Since it is so broad, they break down zoology into specialities or subdisciplines. So they call the study of fish ichthyology, birds is ornithology, insects is entomology, and amphibians herpetology, mammals mammalogy, mollusks, spiders, and so on. Now from there they also break that down in specialities. You can have cytology, which is the study of the cells and things like that. Alright, today we're really going to focus on zoology from an evolutionary perspective. In biology we did cover evolution, and evolution has a big part or a big role in the classifying of animals. So zoologists have to understand the evolutionary process to understand what an animal is and how it originated. So we all know that, according to the evolutionary theory, that all species have a common ancestor. So looking back, we look at what these animals originated from, and then their characteristics changed. Organic evolution is the change in the genetic makeup of the populations over time. So this is specifically talking about the DNA and showing the similarities of the common ancestors. So what organic evolution does, it explains family relationships within this animal group. So if you look over, it would explain how, such as like wolves and dogs are related in that same family. Some evidence of evolution, as far as especially the organic evolution. At the very top, these are embryos. As you can see, many animals start looking very similar, and it's their DNA. You can turn off or turn on part of your DNA, and that's going to make things develop differently. So on the very far left, this would be a fish. Okay, although it still starts out very similar, the DNA will not express all of the things that possibly a human does, but they all do start very similar in the embryonic stage.